Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope that the voice is now clear. Please do let me know in the chat box, or you can open your mic as well for it. Is the sound is clear now? Please do let me know. Okay, great. So sorry about that. There was some, I think, issue related with my mic or something. So now let's quickly jump back to our PowerPoint slide, and I would like you people to know that this is the one which is IGCSE or DCE O-Level paper one, and the resources we are. There is a mocking scheme, and the British Council webinars are included in this particular slide. I would like to know that this is a part of the syllabus content we are going to cover in your complete 1.3.4 area of your syllabus. So I would like to know that Sir Azim was teaching you, and he is your teacher, by the way. So today he was not very well, so he couldn't take your class today. I would like to know that till where you have completed in output devices. Anyway, you can open your mic for it if it is. Let me simply unmute. But let me, if you can write it in the chat box or whatever. Okay, you have to do projectors. Okay, let me move it a little bit. If you have any confusion in between, that what is the one which we are talking about, so you can ask any question related to the whatever the problem is. But I am moving slightly slower to the one which is the projector. By the way, there are different type of projectors. If it is the one which is the class in our, most probably in the lab or anywhere else, so I can show one or two things related to the projectors which are installed in your school. So we can definitely have a hands-on activity on it. So laser printer we have completed, as people said, there are a few advantages and disadvantages. By the way, the advantages and disadvantages of any laser printer written over here are coming directly from mocking scheme. So if the examiner is going to ask you people that what are the benefits and the drawbacks of any printer, like laser printer or anything, so what we need to do is to just write these things. Now, this is an exam style question related to the previous question we have. And let's quickly move to the 3D printers you have completed. Have you completed 3D printers as well? There are three types of 3D printers as well. You should know about it. All the material is available on this slide. slides as well as in your book, that what the additive part of the 3D printer, what is the one which is the direct 3D printing, what is binded 3D. So we can have a few things about the 3D printer and the advantages and disadvantages of the 3D printer. The CAM and the CAD, you should know about it, the CNC, computer numerical control, and you must have studied all these things. Please do let me know, other than the 5, who is having the trouble with my voice still. Not clear what does it mean? Is it coming with some sort of gaps or what? But let me do one more. ठीक है, clear हो जाएगा. Don't worry about it. एक मिनट दीजिए. शायद थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रप्शन हो क्लास के अंदर, but it will be very much clear then. All right, boys and girls, let me know that how much clearer it is right now. We are going to talk about the display devices. We do have a few display devices for output, and the one which you have already covered, as you people said, that the flat display technology you have completed. The LCD monitor and the DLP or LCD and LED monitors we must have covered. There's a part of organic LED, OLED, which you must have covered with a zine. The benefits of OLED technology, the drawbacks of OLED technologies. Now we are going for the one which you have asked me. Please do let me know that it is clear now. The sound is clear, isn't it? Yes, boys. If the sound is clear, all right. Now, so data and the multimedia projectors. So we do have 2 different technologies on it. One is known as the LCD projectors. The other one are we're going to name it as DLP projector. The DLP stands for digital light processing. And with this digital light processing projectors, we do have either the one which is we are using LCD monitor or DLP projectors. Both are basically used in different areas, different environments. It's dependent upon the use of that multimedia projector. Wherever you have environment which is not dark, we have room in IGCSE multimedia projector, but then you should use DLP projector because it is making the light, it is making the image with the light, and the LCD is basically producing the overall image with the colors. So there are very good colors in LCD projector, and there are slightly very good light available in LCD. So दोनों के अपने advantages and disadvantages. Okay, the first line is stated: use in the classroom, conference room, and the business meetings. This is one of the examination questions we are talking about. Examiners usually ask that what are the applications, write three applications of multimedia projectors. So you can write it. We can use it in the classroom straight away. Please note it down if you have notebook with you. In conference room, in business meetings. So there are three different applications right now we are talking about. Once we are planning for any game like a football, we can use it, as well as for any strategy. We have probably in a war room as well, जहाँ आप दुश्मन के लिए plan कर रहे होते हैं कि आप attack कैसे करेंगे. So we can use these type of multimedia as well. It can be wireless or integrated to the device, which is through cable as well. And the tiny projector built in mobile phones and the portable devices, like she is holding one of the projector in her hand. Let me increase the size a little bit, and this is going to display something on. You can see that on a wall or on a cabinet as well. So some multimedia projectors are coming with a tiny handheld devices as well. Now, starting with the digital light projector DLP, and we do have only 13 minutes remaining in our class, so let's do it a little bit quicker. So the system is going to utilize millions of micro mirrors on a small microchip with a projector. Each mirror corresponds to the single pixel. DLP technology is based on the optical semiconductor called digital micro mirror device (DMD). Okay, what is happening? If you can, if you are just going to focus on your palm, आपकी जो हथेली होती है, इसको जरा सा फोकस कीजिएगा, अपने हाथ को देखिएगा. इतना बड़ा एक DMD बोर्ड, digital micro mirror device board, इस टाइप के डिजिटल मल्टीमीडिया प्रोजेक्टर में लगा हुआ है. इसमें मिलियंस माइक्रो मिरर लगे हुए, मिलियंस. ठीक है, it's classically. So what is happening? What we are talking about, that each mirror is correspond to a single pixel. So you know all about the pixels. I don't want you to go for it. So एक pixel एक mirror जो है वो represent कर रहा है. So जितने ज़्यादा millions of mirror होंगे, उतने ज़्यादा अच्छा image बनेगा, sharp image बनेगा. One of the things. Okay. This is definitely once you people are going to listen this millions of mirror on a palm, just on your palm. So वो एक थोड़ा सा लोगों का question खड़ा होता है कि ऐसा होगा कि नहीं होगा. नहीं, definitely ऐसा होता है. And this is just because we are using nanotechnology for many devices right now. We are using in the computers. So nanotechnology base पे हम ये काम कर रहे हैं. Okay. The second thing is how they are making a color or images, because the mirrors are going to tilt a little bit and reflecting lights through which we are making colors or images or movement in our videos and our animations as well. So when these micro mirrors are tilted toward the light source, they are in on status. So पहली बात तो ये है कि 1 और 0 का concept यहाँ पे भी है. Now if they tilted away from the light source, which is coming from a backlighting technology like किसी भी lens के through आ रही है, they are in off state. So ये दो बातें हमें ज़हन में रखनी है. There is a on and off, but it's not about that every mirror is off or every mirror is on. So the darker area in my display, like this is the darker area, micro mirror जैसे मैंने लिखा हुआ है, जो भी black area है, black area, 100% black. उधर light reflection नहीं मिलेगी, which means that if I am going to display this entire multimedia, presentation on multimedia, so and on DLP projector, so ये जो D का इतना part लिखा हुआ है, इसको reflect करने के लिए जो mirrors लगे हुए हैं, वो off state में, असल में बीच वाला area on state में. So this is how our multimedia projection is going to work. Actually, now the micro mirrors can switch between on and off thousands of times a second, creating different and changing shades of the gray light. After the gray light, जैसे आपने देखा होगा कुछ recording areas में वो back side पे green light रखते हैं और उसके through colors बाद में या animation या videos back side पे चलाते हैं. कोई person अगर खड़ा हुआ होता है newscaster or anyway. So उसी तरह से ये टेक्नोलॉजी भी कुछ काम कर रही है. ग्रे लाइट प्रोड्यूस करती है, डिफरेंट शेड्स होते हैं उसके, और उसके बाद फिर उसमें हम कलर्स डालते हैं. Another point number, this is point number 4. The chip can be held in the palm of your hand. That is what I have already told you. And it can contain more than 2 million mirrors each, measuring less than 1/5 of the width of human hair. The DLP projector can create over 16 million different colors, which means that 16 million different pixels get through wo kaam kar sakte. So this is the DLP projector. Okay, now the DLP projector, we do have not too much time available right now, but let's just quickly wrap it up. The DLP adding color and few things related to the DLP projectors. So we are talking about, okay, I have no idea why it is happening, because connected with 2 different internets right now, and it seems like that we will have a little bit trouble with the sound quality and producing right now. And I'll look at it at the end of the class, and I can make the video available for you people. कि जो recording मैंने इस video कर रहा हूँ, वो मैं आपको send कर सकता हूँ. But I need to see that उसमें भी अगर lagging होगी, तो फिर definitely there is a problem with my device which I am using right now as a mic. So थोड़ी देर के लिए फिर हमें भी 4-5 मिनट की रहेगी क्लास. हम जरा से देख लेते हैं चीज़ों को, just read it through at least, ताकि आपको ज़हन में रहे कि क्या बातें हो गई थी. Yes, it is recording. I'm recording it. As you can see that this red light is blinking. I can send it to you people as well, the recording. So don't worry about it. Every lecture is going to. Okay, DLP projector uses a grid of mirrors that can each produce over 1,000 shades of gray. So again, micro mirror क्या कर रहा है on state में या off state में, when it is producing a lighter shade of gray, it is other way around. then the darker shade of gray gets produced. So जितना ज़्यादा tilt होता जाएगा light से हटता चला जाएगा उतना dark shade बनता चला जाएगा. Definitely, बहुत simple सी बात. So this creates a gray video image using the gray mirror pixel. Okay. Now the problem is कि वो gray area produce करता है color में कैसे आता है. आपने देखा कि पीछे जो image था वो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा था, लेकिन अब यहाँ पे आपको कुछ समझ में आना शुरू होगा कि ये जब उसमें कलर फिल कर रहे हैं तो फिर वो एक टर्टल सा बनने वाला है. Now, the strong white light passes through color filters, and the color filters are different. ये यहाँ पे color filters आपको नजर आएंगे. This is rotating color filter, but let me go back a little bit and tell you people that the strong white light passes through the color filters on the rapidly spinning wheel, which converts into red, green or blue. और ये associate है इस पूरी technology के साथ. This is the DMD board we were talking about, digital micro mirror device. The lens is over here. One lens is over here. This is the one from which we are sending the signals, and ये rotate करता रहेगा. Rotate करने के बाद यहाँ से reflect हो रही है light another for another lens, and then we are spreading the image. So जो image ऐसे back side पे हमारे पास बन रहा था, that is what we are talking about. वो भी इसी तरह से बनेगा. So the filtered green light shown onto the tilted off mirror, reflecting gray and the dark gray light. So उसके through फिर the projector projects a dark green pixel as well. Now, a purple pixel is created by rapidly changing a pixel from blue to red. ये colors आपको बनाने आपको बहुत बचपन में आते थे. So, which our brain interprets as blend of two colors. So, तेजी से जब वो board घूमेगा ये वाला rotating color filter, तो हमें ये images colors बनते हुए नजर आते हैं. But this is sort of इतनी speed में हो रहा था ये काम कि हमें हमारी human eye इसको capture नहीं कर पाती. But at least we do know कि ये continuous process है. Image भेजा जा रहा है gray color का. Yes, definitely we are using red, green and blue on all devices. By the way, it's not about the LCD or DLP or LED. Screens, projectors, everywhere. मैं जो जिस monitor को देख रहा हूँ right now, जिस LCD screen को देख रहा हूँ right now, जिसके through आप लोग अभी classes ले रहे हैं, वो भी red, green and blue को produce करवा रहे हैं. जब हम print out निकालते हैं, तो वो red, green, blue नहीं use होता, CYMK यूज होता है. ठीक है, और उसके बारे में आपने डेफिनेटली प्रिंटर्स के साथ पढ़ लिया. So this is how the projector is going to produce the color. Now you can see this is a very old image, and what they have done, they've colored it, because पुराने ज़माने में जो images होते थे वो black and white होते थे, लेकिन वो ग्रे का शेड बनाते थे, और उसी ग्रे के शेड को के अंदर कलर हमने भरने के बाद हमने इस कलर वाली चीज को क्रिएट करना शुरू किया. So using the graphic package, a grayscale image can be colors in the similar way to the digital projector. This is 1861, a photograph of Charles. इनको आप लोगों ने definitely पढ़ा होगा, and he is a writer and the poet as well. So the colored image was basically a gray image through which we have produced few colors. So this is simple, very simple technique through which we are producing the overall color. Now we are going to stop it over here, and let me tell you that let me take your attendance as well. There are not too many people over here in this class. I don't know. कितने लोग हैं वैसे क्लास में हमारी? से सर जो क्लास नहीं ले पाए इसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा ट्रबल है. Anyway, LCD projectors will be the next one. और वो कैसे वर्क करते हैं LCD with the mirrors, ये पूरी बात आपके साथ आपके टीचर पे डिस्कस करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. We are going to sign off now because we have probably moved to the other classes. Thank you very much for joining the class. Do let me know if you have any confusion related to the thing, and I'm going to publish the video as well